Are you having trouble with your Bose QuietComfort 35 headphones? You're not alone. Many users experience connectivity issues, problems with the power button, and other glitches. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process to reset your headphones, which can help solve these common problems. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to enjoy your headphones without any issues. Let's get started. First, power off your headphones. To do this, simply slide the power switch to the off position. Once they are off, wait for 30 seconds. This brief pause allows the internal systems to fully shut down. Next, connect your headphones to a wall outlet using a USB charger. Make sure you use a reliable USB cable and charger. Plug one end of the USB cable into your headphones and the other end into the charger. Wait for 5 seconds while your headphones are connected to the power source. After 5 seconds, disconnect the USB cable from your headphones. Now, wait for 1 minute. This waiting period helps reset the internal components of your headphones. Finally, power on your headphones. Slide the power switch to the on position. Your headphones should now be reset and ready for normal use. If the reset steps didn't solve your problem, there are a few more troubleshooting steps you can try. First, ensure you are using the original USB cable that came with your headphones. Sometimes, third-party cables may not work properly. If you are already using the original cable, try a different USB port or charger to rule out any issues with your current power source. Next, you can try updating or downgrading the firmware of your headphones using the Bose BTU updater. To do this, first, go to the link provided in the video description. Connect your headphones to your computer using the original USB cable. On the website, you'll find instructions to follow. If you need to downgrade the firmware, look for an option to install an earlier version. Select the oldest available version, then proceed with the installation. After downgrading the firmware, try resetting your headphones again by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Once the reset is complete and your headphones are working correctly, you can upgrade the firmware back to the latest version using the same BTU updater. This process can often resolve persistent issues and help reset your headphones effectively. Another helpful step is to clear the paired device list from your headphones. Open the Bose Connect app on your mobile device. Navigate to the settings and clear the list of paired devices. After clearing the list, try pairing your headphones again with your device. If the above steps don't work, you can try performing a factory reset via your PC. Connect your headphones to your PC using the original USB cable. Go to the link provided in the video description. On the website, follow the instructions to use the BTU updater software. Look for an option to perform a factory reset. This option might be listed as Restore to Factory Settings or similar. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the factory reset. This can sometimes fix more stubborn issues that other resets cannot. For Android users, you can use NFC to pair your headphones. Turn on NFC on your Android device and tap it against the NFC tag on your headphones. This can help establish a connection if you're having trouble pairing via Bluetooth. Additionally, delete the device history in the app to ensure a fresh start. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If it has, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you found a different way to reset Bose QuietComfort 35, please share it in the comments. Let us know which method worked for you, as it can be very helpful for others. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.